Well, there's steps there.
I mean, there is, but you can't find none.
You're walking in the path my dogs did.
Now this is deep snow. It comes up to my damn knees. Look. I'm finally hitting ground, and it comes up to my knees. That's crazy. Look.
Yeah, them people in North Carolina think they got it bad.
Y'all think you had it bad? This is snow. Now I'm going to bust my ass coming back down.
Oh, let me get that on videotape. Come on, fall.
Huh?
Come on, fall.
No, I don't want to fall.
Come on, slip.
On.
Huh?
I don't even have gloves on.
Oh, well, your hands will get cold for a minute.
This is crazy. There are steps here. Oh my God. And I'm going to fall. Amy!
What?
Help!
What do we do? Hand you the shovel?
I want you to hand me a hand.
Hold on.
It's ice.
Oh, she goes up and says I'm coming through.
Now I'm
She
stuck.
still ain't made it down the steps.
Because I'm stuck now. I'm
You
gonna,
ain't stuck.
I'm going to bust my ass if I go to move this foot.
There's only about 8 steps there.
Yeah, but I can't see the 3 of them. Look.
Well, sit your ass down the slide. Come on, redneck.
Jump!
Afraid of the damn snow. What's wrong with you? You from the Berg and afraid of the snow? Shit.
Yeah.
Don't hit me with no damn snowball.
You just wait then.